So today is another DIY project day, and I'll be doing some modifications to my exhaust tip on this car. So you can see the exhaust here is square exhaust, square on this side and on this side, and I've always felt like something's not looking right about the exhaust. So my trick to fixing that is to get these exhaust tips, which you can see here. So I'll be fixing these to it. So I'll put these on there, and that would make it look like 4 exhaust rather than just a single square one. I got these off Amazon. They're pretty alright, stainless steel black metal, so and it fits for this car. So the trick to attaching these would be to clean the surfaces where you'll be attaching it, which is there, that surface all around this side, and also that one all around, and also this inner surface here of this piece. These are pretty clean when they came in, but I just wiped them clean. Just a soft cloth with water should be enough just to remove the dust. So I've got 3 techniques for attaching these. As with most other items, you could use the same technique. First, I'll use the tape that came with it, and I've got a double-sided tape here, which I would use to line the inside of that as well, so it sticks onto the body of the exhaust. And I've also got this liquid silicone gasket that came from a different job, leftover from a different job. This is gray, so I'm hoping it will not spill out and show. You could use a black one, which would match the body of what you're using, but I'm using this gray one in this instance. As you can see, it's a high temperature silicone paste, so it's going to be very effective, and it will hold its place even when the exhaust gets hot. Another thing to do is to make sure that the car warm up the exhaust, drive a bit around, so that the car is a bit warm before you start doing what you're doing. So with those 3 techniques, double-sided tip, which I'll be applying, the liquid silicone gasket to glue it on, and the original sticky tapes that came with it, I hope those 3 will be able to hold this piece in place so it's never going to fall off during normal driving. I'll update you on what it looks like once I've finished. So here is the preparation. I've put some liquid silicone gaskets on the exhaust tips. You can see those 2 all around. Use gray ones. Also here I've put some on the exhaust tips that I'll be using. I'm just going to peel off the green tape and the red tape. Those are double-sided tips, and I'll stick it on. So silicone plus 2 tapes and a hot exhaust body. Hopefully it works. Right, and this is done. I've finished installing it. As you can see, it looks like a quad exhaust rather than double. So I've installed it just like I showed previously. You can see like the silicone has not leaked through, so that I have to wipe out any excess. I think it really looks good in this way. So 3 methods: the sticky tape that came with it, double-sided tape, and extra liquid silicone. And I hope this will stay after 24 hours. Probably it will be very nice, it won't fall off. Yeah.